What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and today we are unboxing day number 23 of our advent calendar from Madam Glam. You guys know that I love this box and I'm so excited, and the closer we get to the end, the more sad that I get. We literally have this one for today, this one for tomorrow, and then for the 25th we have that right there. And so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this one. What do you guys think this is? It's literally like not moving. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. Oh shoot. Oh my. It's an a cuticle oil. This is okay, hold on. Hold on, you guys. I have a cuticle oil by Madam Glam. I don't know where it is. Hold on. Oh, okay, here it is. I rearranged my nail area and I forgot. Okay. Wow. So they have multiple. I don't know if this is new or if this is a special edition or what, but so we have, this one says Prairie Nail and Cuticle Oil Treatment, and this one says Elixir Nail and Cuticle Oil. Wow, I like this. Okay, so this one has lavender oil in it. This one doesn't though. This one does. Vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Every night after removing Madam Glam's gel polish, after doing your nails to rehydrate the cuticle, use the proper amount. And they both say the same. Okay. So the difference is that this one has lavender oil, but oh my gosh, let me see if it has a scent to it. Let's see. Hold on. Okay, it smells very similar, if not the same. Hold on. You guys, I just put on cuticle oil. Hold on. So how's you guys this couple of days before Christmas? Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. Okay, no, this one really, you can smell the lavender, honestly. This one just has a regular, it's more of like if it was to be unscented. It's not, it does have a scent to it, but it's like an unscented version of the scent, if that makes sense. Oh, look at that. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. I was trying to figure out why I couldn't hear nothing moving in the box. This makes perfect sense. Like, how smart. Oh crap. But anyways, wow. So like I said, you guys, we have so many things to create nail sets with. So we finally got our cuticle oil. Oh my goodness, I am willing to bet money. Who wants to bet me? Okay, don't bet me, I might be wrong, but if this is not a glittery Madam Glam mini, then I don't know what it is. And then 25, I don't know what that is, but I'm really excited. Thank you so much again to Madam Glam. You guys know that you can always save 30% off your Madam Glam products with my discount code GoddessKnows30. I am a brand ambassador for Madam Glam, and we're kicking off a new year, you guys. Today I took the day off and I cooked all day. I had to cook and clean, meal prep, and things like that. Tomorrow I also have the day off. Luckily, it is so cold. So how are you guys enjoying the cold front? Me, no thank you. I don't like the cold. So yeah, no, I just been staying in the house. But anyways, I'm gonna be able to do a lot of work tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. And I think that with tomorrow and Sunday and probably maybe Monday, I think I'm really gonna be able to get a lot done, and so I'm really excited. And we're almost to the new year, you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for tuning in, and if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and be subscribed so you can ring the bell and be notified every single time I upload. I'll talk to you on the next one. I'll holla. Peace.